Please let me pass without trouble this morning.
Nah.
Move, Ethan, and stop bothering her now.
Or what exactly are you going to do?
Please stop this now. It is enough. Oops. That paper slipped so easily. It is okay, Noah. Please leave it. He always does this to people. No.
Maybe you are all too sensitive.
Open your books, everyone, and begin reading.
Ethan, please sit properly at your desk.
Fine. I am sitting properly now.
He looks tired today, not just angry. He is always angry with everyone. Something about him feels very wrong today. He is alone. Again during recess. That is his choice, not ours. Maybe it is not really his choice.
No. This cannot be happening now.
I have to go right away. Head away. I need to leave school right now. I need to leave school right now.
What happened, Ethan? Tell me clearly.
My mom is in the hospital now.
Go now. We will handle school here.
He was crying when he ran outside. Ethan cried?
Ethan cried? Are you serious?
Something must be very bad for him. Hey. I want to know if his mother is okay. After the way he treats all of us? Pain is still pain, even in him. Maybe he really needs help right now. Mom, where are you right now? Please slow down and breathe for me. Where is my mother? Please tell me now.
Dr. Ben is checking her right now.
Please be okay, Mom. Please stay with me. Doctor, how is she right now?
She is very weak, but we are helping.
Will she be okay, Doctor?
Will she be okay, Doctor?
We are doing everything we can for her.
I do not know what to do anymore.
Are you sure we should be here?
Oh. Yes. Let us just check on him. No. Yeah. He is there by the wall. Oh. You mean he looks completely broken? Why are you here at the hospital? We came to see if your mother is okay. I do not need your pity from anyone. This is not pity. We came because it matters. You looked really scared at school today.
I am scared. I really am.
It is okay to be scared sometimes. Nate, why are you being nice to me? Because your mother is sick right now. I was horrible to all of you. Yes, you were. That is true. I was angry all the time inside. Because of your mom getting worse? She got weaker every single week. You were carrying all of this alone. My father left us 2 years ago.
Since then, it has only been me and Mum.
You never told anyone any of this.
Man.
I did not want people to know. So you pushed everyone away before they could. If people hated me, they could not hurt me. But you still hurt yourself that way, too.
One person can visit her now.
Can I go in and see her now? Yes, but please stay calm with her. My boy, you came so fast. I was so scared for you, Mom.
You do not have to be strong every second. I do not want to lose you.
I really hope she gets better soon.
He really loves her more than anything.
Anna, Anyahan. Thank you for staying here with me. No. No one should wait alone in a hallway.
I am sorry for everything I did.
You were awful to all of us. I know. And you are right. You can still change from this point. I need to say something to everyone.
Go ahead, Ethan. We are listening.
Got it.
I bullied people because I was full of anger. Lucy, I am truly sorry for hurting you. Thank you for saying that, honestly. My birthday. I am Horather. I am sorry to all of you too. That really matters more than you know. Now prove it with your actions. I will. I promise that now. Oh no, all my books fell down. Here, I have them. It is okay. That is a very good start.
You look lighter today, my son.
I stopped fighting everyone around me.
That makes me very happy inside.
Thank you for seeing me at my worst. The bully cried in the hospital hallway, and that was the day he started to change.